Bill Gilliland, one of the principals here at ActionCOACH Business Growth Partners. I want to give you a quick overview of one-to-one coaching, or as it says on here, private coaching. And generally, who this is for business owners who've gotten the business to somewhere between $500,000, $750,000, and all the way up to $3 to $5 million, and are looking for some individual guidance on what to do next. Now, generally, you've got three basic problems in there. You've got your goal, and what we find is most people run into three things. One, they're time crunched. They have a high maintenance team, or else cash is tight. And maybe you have one of those, or maybe you have all three of those. Now, so what you're really after from the time crunch is a balanced, truly balanced life. And on the high maintenance team, you're looking for that well-oiled machine. And then if you got cash issues, then obviously you're looking for consistency in cash flow and maybe even making it positive cash flow. But at the end of the day, one-to-one coaching is designed to help you to put strategies in place that are going to eventually allow you to have a business that can run without you. That's our goal. That's always our goal. So generally these are every other weekly sessions. It starts out with what we call an alignment or a business plan. And the whole thing is designed to get you to where you want to get to faster than you would get on your own. So that's one-to-one coaching. If that sounds like something you're interested in, most people are. That's probably what we do most of is one-to-one coaching around here. Then reach out to us. Just click the button, give us a call, sign up for 2 weeks of free coaching, and we'll be glad to work with you to figure out if one-to-one coaching is right for you.